Hi, Daniel Parsons. It's the 1st of May, 2025, and I'm really excited as I found a company in 2024 and experienced some incredible results from the use of their products. And these products are actually produced by a pharmaceutical company. So, the wellness industry, when I got started in it back in 2005, was maybe a few $1 billion. But I mean, it is just mushrooming with exponential growth because the scientific community, especially in the natural wellness field, has just exploded. Because take a product like Marketplace Global's pHix. It comes right now in one of these little sleeve packs that they have patented the process where you can just fold this little snap, is what it's called, and you'll get the matured hops extract. Or I like to get this 1 fluid ounce dropper bottle, just squeeze the eyedropper bottle here and pour that into any drink of your choice. And it's a matured hops extract, which has been studied for 5 to 6, maybe even 7 decades now. The issue about why it's just now just coming to the market was quite a few years ago. It took millions of dollars just to extract 1 gallon of this. It's from the matured hops flour. It's a natural plant-based product. And so I want to quickly go on screen share and show you this, because the fundamental principle of any home-based business or work-at-home opportunity is, do you have a product that will market and sell and demonstrate itself? And so if you type in your web browser, healthhomebusiness.com/Daniel, and I will get you one of these websites set up, and it will redirect to your Marketplace Global page to be able to sign people up and have them join your team. So the pHix product is, there's 53,000 people already, as of today's the 1st of May 2025, that have come into this company, and it's going to explode to my leader says 200,000 by the end of the year. I would think that it could be up to 250,000 people will be in on this product. And they have other products that work burning other different kinds of fat in the body. This has been scientifically proven to turn on the thermogenic process in your body. And when you get rid of visceral fat, that's the fat that's hanging around your organs. And you definitely do not want fat hanging around your organs, because it causes a real slew of health problems. Right now, I'm going to come back on screen, off of screen share, and I'm going to give my FDA disclaimer, because this is just such a great opportunity. I don't want to mess it up for the company or anyone else, because I definitely need the income. I know other people need the income. It's expensive to live in 2025. These products from pHix from Marketplace Global have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration and are not intended to treat, diagnose, cure, or prevent any disease or illness. And so I want to finish up here and show you. So you get a little small box like this, and then you get in bubble wrap your pHix bottle. You get a sleeve, either like this that has your, because the bottle is 25 servings, and then you get 6 more servings in the little snaps. Or, and don't you like this? It's really cool. MPG for Marketplace Global. They brand their box too. So this was the original sleeve, and it came as the Weekender pHix pack. And if I don't condone beer drinking, my faith and my beliefs are no alcohol, and I've done that for decades and decades and decades. And so, but it actually was studied by scientists, and they could prove that people that had a beer, this would actually turn on the thermogenic process, even drinking it in beer. I don't condone that, but this was the original one that we got last year. But then around the holiday season, they came out with this really creative holiday fix pack, eat, drink, and be merry. And then now this is the latest one that I just got, and game day. And so right now the NBA playoffs are going on, the NHL hockey playoffs are going on, and baseball season is in full bloom. And it's the 1st of May, and Seattle Mariners are in first place in the major American League West division. And so go Mariners. And so I want to close with this. Marketplace Global has other products too. So we get a 1 gallon container of this wonderful mineralizing, moisturizing soap for the shower. And I really like this. And it's doesn't have any of those added ingredients that your heavily marketed products that we used to use have. So it's really, really clean. So you can come to one of the evening during the week Zoom calls, and you can find that information at my Telegram channel, t.me/fat loss team. And so once again, that's just the letter T like Texas.me/fat loss team. And you can come and join my team there and start communicating with me there. And one last thing, I cannot guarantee that you join my team that you're going to make, I started in this industry 2005, and I used to just cringe when people would say, get in now and you're going to make $10,000 by next Tuesday. That is not the case here. Just little by slow, you start sharing this with one other person, and you only need to have one person on your left leg of the binary, one person on the right leg of the binary, and everybody stay active with just $50 of business volume in the plan. And this fix bottle is shipped to you in the United States at $79.95, and that qualifies you for the pay plan. So there's not many opportunities out there in the world today where you invest $80 in your wellness and you get incredible results. Just look at my neck. You don't see any visceral fat whatsoever on my neck. You see the bones, and you see the tendons and stuff holding up my neck and the muscle. And so I want to close with this. I had an incredible result. I've had chronic liver problems. And so fatty liver disease is something that I have to really be careful about, because I've had cirrhosis of the liver for decades. I was able to get through a total knee replacement surgery without any bleeding out on the operating room table. The surgeon said you responded perfectly. There was, when somebody is cut and the body, the blood coagulates. And so I didn't have any problems. And so I believe that's a direct result of this incredible matured hops extract. Okay. And so you can contact me, healthhomebusiness.com/Daniel. And I will go and show you the really great website we have once you come in and join our team. If you went to marketplaceglobal.com and hit /Daniel, type that in your browser, marketplaceglobal.com /Daniel, and you could come in and you would see everything. I mean, they've got coffee, they've got other products, so you don't have to just order the fixed products. If you want to order the proactive greens, the NZ fulvic is minerals. It's incredible for your gut health. And so these are manufactured in the United States of America. Companies headquartered in Minnesota, near the big, huge twin cities, Minneapolis, St. Paul. So they have very fast shipping via UPS in the United States. They're open in Canada, United States, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, and a couple other countries in South Africa, in the southern part of Africa. And so I'll come off of screen share and close with this. I'm really, really excited for 2025. I believe this company is going to explode. And I waited a little while on promoting this in a big way, but now I'm ready to rock and roll with Marketplace Global. So this is Daniel signing off from Washington State, Pacific Time Zone. If you need me, call me. And I look forward to working with you and helping you get better with your wellness.